Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs in an air fryer. First, prepare your air fryer basket. You can use parchment paper or a light spray of oil to prevent sticking. Carefully crack 1 or 2 eggs directly into the prepared basket. Now, set your air fryer to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the eggs for 3 to 6 minutes, depending on your desired yolk consistency. It's a quick and easy way to enjoy a perfectly fried egg. For the best results, consider preheating your air fryer for about 2 minutes before adding the eggs. This helps ensure a more consistent cooking temperature. If you prefer a runny yolk, aim for a cooking time of 3 to 4 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. For those who like a firmer, more set yolk, extend the cooking time to 5 or 6 minutes. Experiment to find your ideal texture. Once your eggs are cooked, it's time to customize them. A simple sprinkle of salt and pepper before or after cooking enhances the natural flavor. Feel free to get creative by adding a dash of cheese, fresh herbs, or your favorite hot sauce. These air-fried eggs are fantastic served on a piece of crispy toast, alongside sliced avocado, or as a protein boost in your morning breakfast bowl. Enjoy! Cleaning up is a breeze with this method. Make sure to clean your air fryer basket promptly after use to prevent any egg residue from sticking. Warm, soapy water and a soft sponge are usually all you need for a quick and easy cleanup. This keeps your air fryer ready for its next use. Also, for those looking to simplify their meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.